Good morning, children. So, yesterday I have completed your chapter number 5 that people have done. Today I am going to start your chapter number 6, that is economic growth and economic development. Is it clear? Now, economic growth and economic development, these things that we need to study about what is economic growth, because you see the news channels and all, they frequently use the word economic growth. They frequently use the word economic development. If any layman you will ask, then they will say, okay, growth and development is the same thing, but actually growth and development is not same. These two are very different from each other. First, try to understand both. Economic growth is quantitative growth, means when the economy increases quantitatively. When we measure the economic progress quantitatively, then we say that there is economic growth. Both are economic progress. When there is economic progress, then also economic growth, economic progress, then also economic development. But there is a difference between both the progress. When there is economic progress quantitatively, we call economic growth. When there is economic progress qualitatively, we call economic development. Is it clear? Now you will say, what do you mean by quantitatively? What do you mean by qualitatively? So you need to understand this, that economic growth means increase in the total productivity of the country. Means every year if the production increases, then we say that yes, there is economic progress quantitatively. Okay, and production will increase, then what will happen? If production will increase, then what will happen? Tell me. अगर production बढ़ती है, तो number of industries बढ़ेंगी, number of service sector will increase, number of primary sector will increase. So there is an enhancement and expansion of the production sectors. Which are the production sectors in an economy? Primary sector, that is agriculture and allied activity. Secondary sector or manufacturing sector, that is industrial sector. And service sector like banking, insurance, transportation, these are your service sector. So you people need to understand that economic growth means economic progress quantitatively. And what is the meaning of quantitative economic progress? Increase in total productivity of the country. अब जब production बढ़ेगी, मतलब industries बढ़ेंगी, agriculture sector बढ़ेगा, तो क्या create होगा? What will be created in the country? Employment. Lot of employment generation will be there. Obviously, if number of industries will increase, then demand for labor will increase, so people will start getting additional employment opportunity. So always remember this, children, that whenever there is, what is economic growth? Economic growth means increase in economic progress quantitatively, which means increase in total productivity of the country. And when there is increase in total productivity, there is a creation of employment opportunity. अगर एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी बढ़ती है, मतलब ज़्यादा लोगों को जॉब मिलेगी, क्या होगा इनकम का? What will happen to national income? इनकम बढ़ेगी तो नेशनल इनकम बढ़ेगी. So there is increase in national income. And if there is increase in national income, and what is national income? We have done in chapter 2. The money value of all final goods and services produced by the residents operating either inside or outside the domestic territory in a year is called national income. And from national income we calculate per capita income. What is per capita income? National income divided by population of the country. So, what is economic growth? Economic growth means economic progress quantitatively, means increase in total productivity of the country, means increase in national income. And if national income income will increase, obviously your per capita income will also increase, because per capita income is calculated from national income, and national income depends on employment, and employment depends on production, and production depends on economic growth. So I hope you people have understood what I have explained to you today. So what do you mean by economic growth? Economic growth means it's a process. Economic growth is not so कि ये एक लंबी process है. Economic growth started since civilization and continue till today, and it is going to continue since many years in the future till the civilization exists. So what is the first thing we write for economic growth? Economic growth is the process of increase in real per capita income of a country over a long period of time. Long period. Why we say long period? Because economic growth is not for 1 year or 2 years. India is trying. India got more than 70 years of independence. We started from 1950 till today. We are going to achieve economic growth, and it is going to continue in the future also. So what is economic growth? Economic progress quantitatively. How we write the meaning of economic growth? Increase in the process of increase in real per capita income of the country over a long period of time is economic growth. If you study the classical economists, if you study the classical books of the classical economists, you will find no difference between economic growth and economic development. Same thing. The classical economics has said that economic growth or economic development is the same thing, that is the process of increase in real per capita income. But actually, in the modern economy, there are several problems occurs. What are those problems? Unemployment, poverty, illiteracy, inequality in the distribution of income and wealth. Several problems occurs. So, if production increase, like example of India. In India, production is increasing, no doubt about it, production is increasing. What is not getting solved? India is the second largest populated country in the world. 28% of the India's population is living below the poverty line. 21% of the Indian people are illiterate. Several people are unemployed. There is unequal in the distribution of income and wealth. What is the actual or real progress? Not quantitatively. But what is economic development? Economic development means the process of increase in real per capita income, but along with reduction in employment, inequality and poverty. अगर आपकी real per capita income बढ़ती है, उसके साथ साथ आपकी unemployment घटती है, आपकी poverty घटती है, आपकी illiteracy घटती है, तभी तो आप कहोगे कि आपकी development क्या हो रही है, qualitatively हो रही है. पर ये qualitative development हम economic growth में नहीं पढ़ते हैं. हम कहाँ पढ़ते हैं? Economic development में. That's why I am saying that economic growth is the economic progress in quantitative sense, and economic development is the economic progress in qualitative sense. Is it clear? Now take out your copy, everyone. Take out your copy. Write down the name of the chapter, chapter 6, economic growth and economic development. And first heading give economic growth. Economic growth first heading, and under economic growth write down the first note, N-O-T-E, note. Under note write down. Under note write down number 1 point. Economic progress quantitatively is considered as economic growth. Economic progress quantitatively is considered as economic growth. Second point. Quantitative growth means increase in the total productivity of the country. Second point. Quantitative growth means increase in total productivity of the country. Third point. When the total productivity of the country will increase, then it will generate employment and income, and it will generate employment and increase national income, which lead to increase in per capita income. Full stop. These are the some facts. Now write down meaning of economic growth. After note, next heading, meaning of economic growth. Write down. The process of increase in the real per capita income of the country, the process of increase in real per capita income of the country over a long period of time is called economic growth. Is called economic growth. Is it clear? Next point. Next write economic development. Next heading write economic development. Again write the first heading note, N-O-T-E, note. Under note write on the first point. Economic progress qualitatively is called economic development. Second point. When there is reduction in unemployment, poverty and inequality, when there is reduction in unemployment, poverty and inequality in the country, then only we can say that there is economic development. Economic development, full stop. Now write down meaning of economic development. Write down the meaning of economic development. Right. The process of increase in real per capita income, along with reduction in poverty, inequality and unemployment is called economic development. Full stop. So today I have explained to you the meaning of economic growth and the meaning of economic development. I hope you people have understood. Now tomorrow I am going to explain you the difference between economic growth and economic development. For today only this much. Thank you children.